Imagine leading a project where data drives every decision, and you need quick insights from multiple datasets without waiting on the data team or writing complex queries. What if you could upload your own datasets or use existing ones directly from your project's canvas and get instant, visual insights in just minutes? That's exactly what a custom data app, powered by AskAI, allows you to do. In this video, we'll guide you step by step through building and using your own custom model data app, where you can query datasets and extract the insights you need, quickly and efficiently. Whether you upload new datasets or work with those already available in your project, we'll cover everything you need to know. Let's dive in. To get started, select the project where you want to create your data app. This brings you to the project's canvas, where you'll see all your available datasets. Next, navigate to the project menu and click on the DataApps icon. This is where you can view existing data apps or create a new one. To create a new data app, click the plus icon or the plus new data app button. If no data apps exist yet, you'll only see the plus icon. Once you click, you'll land on the configuration page. Since we want to create a custom data app, choose the Get Started Now option under the Custom Data App section, which will take you to the custom configuration page. Now, it's time to choose the input types for your data app. In this video, we'll cover two options. 1. Use Project Canvas datasets to grant AskAI access to all the datasets already available on your canvas. 2. Select Custom Uploaded Datasets if you prefer to upload data directly from your local system. Depending on your selection, the configuration fields will adjust to match your input choice. Next, fill in the following details for your data app. The name of your data app. A brief description of its purpose. By default, the data app will run in your project's environment, but you can choose a different environment if needed. You can also personalize the data app by uploading an image for its card. Simply click Choose Image and select one from the available options. Now, select the model you'd like to use for querying. In this example, we'll go with OpenAI's GPT-4 Turbo. You also have the option to enable response caching, which stores previously generated responses, speeding up repeated queries. To further customize your data app, you can adjust the AI's tone and behavior by providing context in the model controls. For added security, consider limiting the model's data access. You can either select Sample Data to restrict the model's access to only 5 rows of data, or choose Only Metadata to limit access to just the column names and metadata. Once you've filled in all the details, click Create. Your new data app will now appear as a card within your project. To start querying, click on the Data App card to open the AskAI tab. From the AskAI tab, you can select the Canvas datasets you want to query. If you need to upload new datasets from your local system, simply click plus Upload New Dataset. Once your datasets are ready, you can start asking questions. Begin by typing a // symbol and selecting your desired output format, whether a chart, text, or a dataset. In this case, we want to generate a chart, so select Chart as the output format. For example, if you want to create a chart showing the number of passengers who survived a shipwreck, enter the appropriate query. When you're ready, click Generate. You can watch as AskAI generates the chart based on your query. Once the output is ready, you'll see the visual representation of the data on your screen. To add this chart to your data app, simply click plus Add to Data App. You'll then be prompted to give your chart a name. Make sure it's meaningful, so it's easy to recognize later, and then click Save. The chart will now appear under the User Charts tab, where you can add multiple charts as needed. To switch between them, use the chart list on the left-hand side, where each chart is clearly labeled based on the dataset it's associated with. And that's it. You've successfully created and explored a custom model data app within your project. By using both Canvas datasets and custom uploaded datasets, you now have the power to unlock insightful data with just a few clicks.